everyone. In this lecture, I am going to explain you about check if two string arrays are equivalent. So here, given two string arrays word1 and word2, return true if the two arrays represent the same string and false otherwise. A string is represented by an array if the array elements concatenated in order forms in the string. So here in this example 1, they given input word1 is equal to, they given ABC, AB, C, and word2 they given A, BC. So if we match the two strings and if we start comparing word1 with word2, if both are equal, then we need to return true. If both are not equal, then we need to return false. That's what they given. Check it if these two strings arrays are equivalent, then we need to return true. If both are not equivalent, we need to return false. So for this, I'm going to implement one logic. So here first we need to mention here string 1 s1 and then string s2. Then here in this for int I equal to 0 and I less than word1 dot length and then I increment. So in this for loop I will mention, so here s1 equal to s1 plus word1 of I, and for int j equal to 0 and then j less than word2 dot length and here j increment. So here s2 equal to s2 plus word2 of j. So here if s1 dot equal, if s1 dot equals s2, then return true, else return false. So this is the logic here. So now I will run this code. So we'll check whether the code is accepted or not accepted. Now I will submit this code. Yeah, success. So here it is simple. So here check if two strings are equivalent or not. How we can find this? First we need to create two variables. One is string s1 and string s2. Both are null. So here in this for loop I mentioned I equal to 0, I less than this word1 dot length. Then it will check it means that it will traverse the all positions. Then I'm storing that all elements in s1 and I'm repeating same for s2 also. Word2, that all elements, all strings that will be stored in s2, and here I'm just comparing if s1 dot equals s2, then return true, else it return false. This is the logic behind it. So if you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary session, and please do like and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.